A woman pleads guilty to a deadly crash last year in Westmoreland County. In February of 2024, Ashley Kelly crashed head-on into Regina Endress's van on Route 217 in Derry Township. She told state police by the time she realized she was in the wrong lane, it was too late to avoid the collision. A 10-year-old in the van with Endress was taken to the hospital and survived. Kelly pleaded guilty to homicide by vehicle and was sentenced to 1 to 2 years in prison. A former daycare worker from Scottdale, Krista Ondish, showed up at a district court today for a preliminary hearing on multiple counts of assaulting and endangering a child that was in her care back in early September. DeRose has more about Ondish's day in court and where this case goes from here.
Did you put a child in a corner, Miss Ondish?
No comment.
This was the scene outside a district court in Westmoreland County on Wednesday morning as 58-year-old Krista Ondish waived her right to a preliminary hearing. Police say that on September 5th, Ondish allegedly pinned a 4-year-old boy into a corner of a room at the New Hope Child Care Center and Preschool in Scottdale. And they say that while pinned in that corner, Ondish allegedly allowed another child to hit the 4-year-old victim and shove them to the ground repeatedly. Police say they have in their possession a surveillance video of the incident that would be hard to repudiate. But Ondish's attorney, Timothy Andrews, says that his client has been working in the child care field for years and has never had an issue. And he says that once a jury sees all the evidence in this case, they'll side with his client.
We haven't seen the video yet, but I do know that there's a lot more video that has not been provided. I've been advised that maybe that video is gone, but that video may be very telling on what happened in this instance. The little boy was playing with my client later, is my understanding, but we're going to wait and see if they still have that video, if somehow it's not available to us. And we'll deal with that when the time comes.
Arresting officer, Scottdale Assistant Police Chief Matthew Zelnick, was also at court on Wednesday, and he says the child in question is doing better, but was diagnosed with a mild concussion. And in terms of the additional surveillance video, he had this to say.
I'm not familiar with any other video, and the video that I've seen that exists, I really don't know how you excuse or defend that.
Now, Ondish's formal arraignment will take place here at the Westmoreland County Courthouse on Wednesday, November 19th. Reporting in Greensburg, Westmoreland County, Krista Ondish, KDKA-TV News.